Hi, my name is Preeti Dubey. I'm a structural engineer and an architectural illustrator. I love depicting world-renowned buildings and realistic urban landscapes. For example, I am very proud of my series of towers and domes in London, Paris, New York, and Venice. Drawing has been a long-standing hobby for me that I share on social media with my ever-growing community. My role as an engineer already includes studying and designing a wide variety of constructions, from small houses to skyscrapers. Turning this into art, however, involves a different purpose, aesthetic rather than functional. It trains your eyes, letting you appreciate and capture the architectural elements you are looking at. I draw with fine liners and pencils on mixed media paper. Using strokes of different thicknesses helps to achieve depth and intensity without losing any detail. In this Domestika course, I will teach you how to make realistic sketches, both colored and monochrome. For the final project, you will recreate your favorite building, covering either the entire facade or a specific architectural element. First, I will show you the materials and how to depict light, shadow, and perspective. Then we will find our reference image and start drawing in pencil. Once we have defined the outline, we will use the fine liner and colors. I will also show you how to add contrast and enhance the shapes. Finally, we will create a monochrome version of our sketch, blending and highlighting some of the elements using various tools. By the end of the course, you will be able to make a rich and accurate live copy of any type of building. Basic understanding of drawing geometry is required. Enjoy architectural illustration and sharpen your eyes to catch every detail.